Two of the biggest names in insurance go head-to-head, but which one really delivers? On the left, the long-standing, trusted State Farm, and on the right, the adaptive, customer-focused Liberty Mutual. Let's cut through the marketing noise and focus on what actually matters. We'll award points in each category so you can clearly see who stands out overall. You might be surprised by who comes out on top. Here's the map of our battleground. We're gonna talk price, digital experience, customer service, coverage options, and reputation and size. Stick with me, there might be a few surprises. So let's kick things off with price. State Farm honestly tends to offer some really competitive rates. They've got a ton of discounts, think bundling your home and auto or if you're a super safe driver. Now, are they always the rock-bottom cheapest? Not every time, but for a lot of people they'll be tough to beat. Switching over to Liberty Mutual, the cool thing here is their policies are totally customizable. You can really fine-tune things, and they've got a few unique ways to save money too. But here's the catch, in certain areas they can actually be pricier, and those discounts, they aren't always the same from state to state. So State Farm kinda sweeps this round when it comes to price. Next up is digital experience. State Farm's app and website are solid. Seriously, you can file a claim at 2 in the morning, no problem. But and this is important, their online quote tools aren't always as flexible as you'd want. Now Liberty Mutual, oh, and here's something cool, they've really leaned into tech. Their app is super highly rated and you can customize pretty much everything online. Plus, claims automation, think Lemonade-style efficiency. The only snag is, if your situation's a bit out of the ordinary, you'll still want to chat with an agent. Hands down, Liberty Mutual takes the win for digital experience. Alright, customer service time. This is where State Farm really flexes. They've got this massive network of local agents you can call or walk in basically anywhere. Satisfaction scores are high, and when it comes to claims, they're consistent. Okay, agent quality can be a hit or miss depending where you live, but still, Liberty Mutual isn't slacking. They've got good support over the phone and online, plus loads of helpful info. But if you look at reviews, claims satisfaction is a little more mixed, and sometimes things just take longer to wrap up. So for customer service, State Farm walks away with the crown. Did you know State Farm has over 19,000 agents? That's more than any other insurer in America. Yeah, you could probably find one in your neighborhood right now. Let's talk coverage options. State Farm brings a really solid lineup, standard stuff, but also extra perks like rideshare and rental coverage if you need those. The only hiccup is, if you're looking for something super niche or special, they don't have as many quirky add-ons. Liberty Mutual, though, now that's where they shine. Their plans are insanely customizable and you can get features like new car replacement. If you've got high-value stuff or special needs, they're just more flexible. A little caveat, some of the best features are only in the higher-end plans. Still, Liberty Mutual is taking this one. Finally, reputation and size. State Farm, it's basically the giant. They're literally the #1 auto insurer in the US and have been around forever, since 1922. Financially, they're as solid as they come. Sure, their whole approach is sometimes a little old school, but rock steady is rock steady. Liberty Mutual is no lightweight, they're a global brand with a strong presence and legit financial backing. But honestly, they do get a bit more consumer complaints, so State Farm edges it out again for reputation. So looking at our score chart, you can really see it's neck and neck in some spots, but there are some clear leaders in others. Here's my take. If you want that classic in-person service with super solid value, like maybe you've got a family, State Farm just fits the bill. But if you're someone who wants to do everything online and maybe needs some extra unique coverage options, you should be checking out Liberty Mutual. If you found this helpful and want to see more no-nonsense insurance breakdowns, hit follow for fair, fast comparisons.